You should pass this absolutely pointless video on to somebody to make them yawn. That is, if you're a sadistic person. We have a secret that we're going to announce on Our World Away on the 17th of September, so get hyped for that. Bye.